going to do one more rose. The tip has a taller end and a shorter end. The shorter end is pinched and the taller end is more open. So again, I'm going to pipe that base, the second layer of my base, and then the very center of my rose to create that cone or the teepee. Piping with my tip straight up and down, 3 petals, opening it up to a 20-degree angle, doing about 5, cleaning off my tip, angling down to about 45, tucking right underneath, and doing about 7. This tutorial's on the site, guys. Learn how to pipe. But you want to act quickly because this deal ends January 1st. The promo code, if you go to learntocake.com, is holiday 2018, and I hope to see you in class.